Talk to Mr. Taylor before you get out of the building. All right. I mean, there's not a lot in your area where you live, but there might be something close.
The sovereign citizen.
Counsel, your appearance for Ms. 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙮𝙧𝙞𝙜.
Yeah. 237. Thank you. In your honor, in this matter, Ms. 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙀 will plead guilty to assault and battery under no contest. The reason for the no contest is a lack of memory.
Yes, so we're going to take a plea on B and dismiss A.
Yes.
Okay. All right, ma'am, you understand that when you say no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge. You understand that? If I can find a factual basis to accept the plea, then it doesn't matter if it's a no contest plea or a guilty plea, the end result's still the same. You'll be sentenced. Do you understand that? Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? Do you understand all those? And do you understand the possible penalty of the assault and battery charge? All right, counsel, I don't have an incident report. Do you?
The page that your honor.
Great, great. Hand it up. Sure.
Tell them us the village spot.
That is the.
No, that's great. That's fine.
She's at lunch, Judge.
Okay. Yeah, you satisfies the factual basis I need?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll accept the no contest plea. I'll dismiss the original count 1. All right, what should I know about this lady before I sentence her?
So you know, Ms. 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙀, she does have some issues. She has been going to the Gera for her mental health issues.
Great place.
She in Alcoholics Anonymous through churches. She goes to different churches. They have different groups.
Good.
She does AA online with joy of AA. She goes to the Episcopal Church 3 times per week.
Good.
While she does have a criminal history,
Yeah.
she is trying to get better. So I would ask the court to take that.
How long you been clean and sober?
17 days.
Okay. Good start. Good start. Any other pending court cases?
I got it right. Well, my license was revoked, and that's coming up.
Where's that at? Which court? Here? Okay. How come they didn't send me that?
I got Zoom meeting and.
Okay, but you know all about it. You're on top of that. Okay. All right. Any other court cases going? Okay. All right. Are you working too?
I'm not disability.
Okay.
For a part-time job.
Okay.
Both and I don't have a car.
Yeah. Talk to Mr. Taylor before you get out of the building. All right. I mean, there's not a lot in your area where you live, but there might be something close. Okay. Counsel, what else should I know before I sentence on the assault and battery?
Well, Your Honor, I'm asking the court would put Ms. 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙀 on a short probation and refrain from any jail time, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. What is the status of your license? What do you have to do to get it back?
I revoked
For drinking and driving? Was it a drinking and driving charge?
Not drinking and driving, I think under the influence.
Yeah, but it was substance abuse
Yeah.
related driving. You got to go through the whole appeal division. Yeah. And here, this is what I tell everybody. I know it's costly, but if there's any way you can, borrow the money from family or whatever, hire an attorney that does a lot of restorations, you got a much better chance of getting driving privileges quicker. Yeah, because the attorneys that do that all the time, they know exactly how to put all your ducks in a row. So when you go in for the hearing, they don't say, okay, so come back and see us in 6 months after you've done this. All right. All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put her on a long probation, but I'm going to be gentle with everything else. So for 12 months, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance, that's alcohol and or marijuana, because you're not going to have a prescription for one of those. So if it's a prescription med, that's okay. Stay out of trouble, no substance abuse, and that's it. That's all you got to do to keep me happy. All right? Now, we've got a file with your name on it for the next 12 months. If you're having any problems with anything, come on up and see us. My probation department is great. They got all kinds of resources available to people, for people, and they love to help. All right? They can't do that because what you need to, I mean, they might be able to get you some information about what you need to do, but from what you've told me, what you need to do is you need to go to the driver's license appeal division. And in my opinion, the best way to do that is with an attorney that does that in your corner. All right? Good luck. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
The Sovereign Citizen.